vibe because they know that they left you waiting for too long.
Can you not see this squirrel? Fucking hell, brother. What did I tell you guys to do? What the fuck did I tell you guys to do? Get the nut spreader. This never happens. Gee, listen, I'm gonna cry. Gang, look. No, gang, look, brother. Look, he's not scared, bruv. I'm sweating. Jesus, have mercy. Oh, Lord. Wow. Good day, good day. Good day. Good day to you. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brother. Yeah. Fucking hell, brother. Gang, I got tears. This never happens. Like, the blue tick came to buck me. Nah, this... Jeez, listen. The wicked have fallen. My gosh. Jesus, it's 10:07, brother. Make Lord of us mercy. Right now I'm trying to add it to my fucking snap. No, better go and watch my reading. I literally was telling you to take the nuts, brother. Jesus, Miss Lord of us mercy, boy. Miss Lord, Most High, thank you. Nature, thank you. Oh my God, Jazakallah khair. My Lord, my life. Most High loves me, loves us, gang. This is for us, 0202, to let you know that man is a real oracle, fam. Listen, I can't even see myself because like I've turned it around. I don't even care what I look like. Blood, I haven't slept. Blood, man, held the night vigil. Yeah, fasting's good. Gang! Jesus! Woo! Latest.